Hello everyone. Today, we will be focusing on how English passages can help us improve our grammar and vocabulary skills. Mastering English First Paper Passages, Unlocking Grammar and Vocabulary Skills. One of the key benefits of reading English passages is that it allows us to practice grammar in a practical context. Apart from grammar, another important aspect of learning English is pronunciation. Reading English passages not only enhances our grammatical skills but also provides opportunities to practice our reading skills. But what will you learn from reading English passages? Well, reading passages exposes us to new ideas, topics, and information. Another significant advantage of reading English First Paper passages is that it allows us to practice summarizing. Additionally, passages introduce us to a wealth of vocabulary. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of English First Paper passages. Remember, practice is the key to mastering the English language. So, pick up a passage today and embark on your journey to becoming a confident English speaker. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.